Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In today's episode, we have many big animals stuck in mud. So let's rescue all these animals. And we have big orca here. So let's start our video. And our first animal, we have rhinoceros. Let's wash and clean him, Rhino. Rhinoceros is clean now. And our next animal we have Cheetah. Cheetah, wild animal. Let's wash and clean him. And Cheetah is clean now. Beautiful. And Cheetah. And our next animal we have Bull. Let's wash him. Bull is clean now. Beautiful. Bull. And our next animal we have Fox. Muddy fox. Let's wash and clean him, this wild fox. Fox, steam now. And our next animal, we have this cute white sheep. Beautiful sheep. Let's wash him. Sheep, steam now. Beautiful sheep. And our next animal, we have Bison. Wild, dangerous bison. Let's wash him. Bison, steam now. And our next animal, we have cute white duck. Let's wash and clean him. Oh, duck, steam now. Beautiful duck. And our next animal, we have this big gorilla. Let's wash and clean this muddy gorilla. Gorilla, it's clean now. Beautiful gorilla. And our next animal, we have zebra. Let's wash and clean this muddy zebra. Beautiful. Zebra, it's clean now. Beautiful zebra. And our next animal, we have this bear. Big bear. Let's wash and clean him. Bear is clean now. And our next animal, we have horse. Fastest running animal. Let's wash him. Horse is clean now. Beautiful horse. And our next animal, we have elephant. Let's wash and clean him by the elephant. Elephant. Clean now. Beautiful. last we have Orca. Let's wash and clean this big size Orca bill. Oh my God! Orca is clean now. Beautiful Orca.